So hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I create new style of 3D particle animation with using Element 3D plugin. Okay, so guys, firstly I'm going to create a new composition, and presets use full HD frame and duration use 20 seconds and press OK. So now guys, go to project and import file. Guys, I have colorful smoke effect, so import, drag and drop on here, main comp, and play. See guys, that's my simple colorful smoke effect. And next one, I use new solid layer and layer name E3D. Press OK. So guys, select this E3D layer and apply Element 3D plugin. Guys, select this E3D and go to custom layer and custom text map, apply to smoke effect and press screen setup. Right. Okay, so guys, I go on here motion design 2 and apply some objects. So go to tag composition compounds, so click on here like this. And next one, I use sphere, go to up. So guys, I increase segments, I like 200. So guys, select this default material, this one, and load texture. Guys, brightness I like 10 and repeat UV, this one I like 2. Press OK. Right, and rotate like this. Great. Okay, so now guys, I create transparent effect. So I go on here basic setting, so glossiness 0, specular 0, and all environment 0. And guys, go to illumination, check, and intensity I like 10. So go to last one, advanced blend mode to change add, and ambient occlusion mode ignore, and last one invisible to AI mode change, click. Yes, see guys, that's my simple effect, right? Okay, so guys, next one, go on here and take some object, simple this one, and rotate like this and attach on top. Guys, this tutorial is the last one. Okay, right, see. Okay, so guys, now I take plane, that's my background, and double-sided plane check. Guys, scale size 1000% and apply. Guys, I use metal material, metal, I like this one, this is also good. Select, drag and drop on plane and select this plane, and guys, I change UV 10 and 10. Right, see. Okay, so guys, select, and guys, mode, reflection mode, use mirror surface. Great, see. And change also lighting, use 100 ambient. This one is really good, right? Okay, so guys, I also change environment light, so I like this one. Yes, this environment light is really good. Okay, so guys, all is good. Now I create composition, so go on here, crystal effect, select this one and apply on here and duplicate. Yes, and this time right, see guys, copy and again duplicate. Yes, much better, right? See guys, I create shape like this yeah, and little bit down, and change pattern like this, and duplicate again, go on here, yeah guys, change more like this, and rotate and duplicate, yeah, beautiful guys, right? Okay, duplicate and apply on here, rotate, and little bit up, great. Apply this one, guys. You can take any random shape, yes, better, right? See, so guys, now I take more crystal and apply on right side, and again duplicate one more time, yeah, see guys, that's really good, right? Okay, so guys, now I apply colorful effect. So actually one more also guys, this one, yes, right? So guys, now take small one like this, yeah, great, and change material. So remove unused material, guys, select this one material, that's my light material, and duplicate, yeah, and only change color, guys. Color, I take orange color like this, more, yeah, this one like yellow, I like yellow, so select and apply on this one crystal, yes guys, apply randomly like this, right, and change rotation, yeah, good, right? Okay, duplicate, apply on here, and up, yes, and again duplicate, yeah, see guys, that's my beautiful composition, right? See, and now copy and little bit down, yes, beautiful guys, see, right? Okay, so guys, this is my simple composition, and now guys, I create particle effect. So use new group, yeah, and unlink, select this group, guys, rename, that's my rename group 2. So guys, I take simple sphere and segment is good, guys, radius 0.01 and closer, see guys, that's my particle, and guys, select this yellow material, apply on sphere, yeah, great, right? And change guys group 2 like this, yeah, simple, right? See guys, that's my first group and that's my second group, right? So press OK, yeah, and guys, most important part, save your project, yeah, and now guys, I take camera and camera preset 35mm, yeah, and guys, orbit change, closer, so guys, you can change any angle, yeah, this one is good, right? See, okay, so closer, and now guys, select your E3D layer and guys go to render setting. Guys go to lighting, same 100 ambient light, yes, and guys go to ambient occlusion check, guys high, and intensity I like 4, yes, beautiful, great, right? Okay, so guys select this E3D. Now I create animation, particle animation. So go to group 2 and particle look, actually this one, particle replace to change sphere, yes, and particle count I like 2000, yes. See guys, that's my simple particles. And change position up, guys also change sphere scale size half, like 5. So go to up, guys I change resolution, use auto, yeah. See guys, that's my particles. And closer, yeah. And guys now I go to here, scatter, and scatter take 2, and position noise unfold, yes. Guys I create animation, so go to 0 frame and noise evolution check, position amount, that's my noise amount, and little bit increase, yeah. Guys noise amount I like 50, go to last one, and guys this one noise amount I like 150, and noise evolution I like 2, yes, better. So go to back and preview, yes. See guys, that's my beautiful particles, right? Okay, so guys camera, change, select and press C, closer like this, and set position like this, and little bit rotate also, yes, good, right? See guys, and go to back and play, yeah. See guys, that's my beautiful particles effect, right? Okay, so guys particle effect is finished. Now I create glow effect, so stop and guys go to E3D layer and duplicate, Ctrl D, yeah. Guys go to render output, change illumination, yes, and mode, use add, yeah. And guys go to effect and preset and apply glow effect, apply on E3D2, yeah. And guys threshold 100 and 100, yes, really good. Glow, duplicate, better, right? See. And guys radius I like 200, yeah. And next one guys for color correction, adjustment layer, and this time I apply curve effect. Select this curve and apply an adjustment layer and create darkness like this, yeah. See guys, that's my beautiful effect, right? See, and play, yeah, very good, right? Okay, so guys that's it, my final effect is finished. Now resolution, use full and preview, yeah, right? Okay, so guys after that you can take render, so go to composition and add render queue check, and guys use this one format, I use JPEG sequences and press OK. So that's my folder, create new folder and take any file name, this one, and render, yeah. Okay, so guys that's it, my final effect is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.